The newest art installation, Entwined, is displayed in Golden Gate Park's Peacock, Meadow. This installation LED lights, created by San Francisco artist Charles Gadeken. The sculptures use 2,000 LED lights that change colors. The sculptures are ranging in height from 12 to 20 feet tall and as large as 30 feet. This excellent exhibition will honor Golden Gate Park's 150th anniversary. It is open to the public for free from December 10th through February 29th, with a possible extension through May or June. While San Francisco is currently under a regional stay-home order, parks and open spaces are essential to the public and will remain open for use. If you are a resident in San Francisco, you will have a lot of time to come and check it out. If you make it here, you can also check out the lights at Sky Star Ferris Wheal. And don't forget to stop by at the Conservatory of Flowers to enjoy the live shows. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and I will see you.